Hi everyone, this is Malvika from AIV. In today's video, I'll be giving you the demo of how can we copy, move and delete one widget. So let's get started. Now for copying, moving and deleting a widget, first of all, we'll go to the dashboard and click on the charts. Select among the desired data set category, select the category axis, select the value column and save and exit. Now we'll see how we can copy, move and delete this. Now first of all, we'll go to the ellipsis option in the top right corner. Click on move. Now this widget is already on tab 1. Now we want to move it to another tab. So for that, we'll first of all have to create another tab, and we'll create another tab with the name second tab, and we'll click on create tab. And now we'll click on move so that we can move the widget of this tab to the second tab. For that, we'll have to click on the second tab which we just now created, and we'll click on move. So now you'll be able to see that in second tab we have this widget which was there in tab 1. We have moved it to second tab. So this is how we move it. Now second, we'll see how can we copy this widget. For that, we'll again go to the same option, to those three dots, the ellipsis, and we'll click on copy. Now, as the widget is there in the second tab, we'll copy it into the first one and click on copy. So now when you go to tab 1, you'll be able to see the copied widget which we copied from the second tab to tab 1. And on the same ellipsis, same three dot option will also see the delete option. This way we can just click on delete and delete the chart or the widget in that tab. So this is how we copy, move and delete the widget in AIV. I hope you liked my today's video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe and comment in the section below. If you have any specific questions, you can also write us at support@aivhub.com, or you can also visit our website, that's www.aivhub.com. Thank you.